In this topic I will talk about forecasts of analysts. I think you already know that there are a huge amount of analysts in internet that give you a forecast on future movements of the currencies. For example, euro or British pound, where the market will go, what price will reach, and so on. I don't know if you believe this analysis and follow it. Probably it helps you and you get profit. But when I started learning Forex, I watched the recommendation of analysts and I faced one big problem. Every analyst has their own view on the market. For example, one day I open a chart of euro and check forecast from different banks analysts and get these pictures. Let me just open the paint and just draw one, second and third. Okay, one analyst says that the market reached a level and there is a uptrend and euro will go up to reach next levels. First say that euro will go up. A second analyst says that euro reached levels and it is going to bounce from the level and go down to reach bottom level. Second analyst says that the market will go down. And third analyst says that the situation on the market is not stable and euro can go up or can go down. The third says that up or down. So here is a question. Whom do you believe? The first analyst, second or third? Let's move forward. For example, market go up and first analyst can say, yes, I was right, my forecast was uptrend, and you will believe him, and you will believe him next time. Second analyst will say that the market changed its decision and went up and reached top levels, but in the forecast this analyst didn't mention about the euro will go up. His forecast was down and he will never remember about he said before. And third analyst will be right at any situation because he didn't give you clear forecast. So here is the conclusion. First analyst was right until he get the situation of second analyst. Second analyst was wrong and will get out of the situation and forget about past forecast. And third analyst confused you. Here you can understand that these guys, analysts, are only typing the forecast they think and they get paid for it. It's their salary in the bank or other organization. Most of them are not traders. They don't trade the market. If they are traders, so they should trade following their forecast. But I have never seen that analysts show their trading. So for me, without showing results, all the words are emptiness. So you draw a conclusion. You want to believe someone who you don't know and follow their analysis, or you trade by yourself.